All right, anyways, here's the outside condenser. You know, I had that initial concern that it's gonna blow at our car and it could cause like some dust to rise and whatnot. But no, not at all. It's running so smooth and quietly, and so everything is good. Okay. So smooth quietly, and then not even that strong. So all right, last bit here is to put this conduit cover or along here just to cover up these lines, and cut this drain hose short so that it just drains. It just pretty much about a few inches off the ground. That's it, y'all. Woo.